Hey viewers, this is just a quick trip I made before Christmas. The whole purpose of the trip really was to go and see two things which I'd sourced from a website called Atlas Obscura. It is a global site. It's got lots of lesser known, touristy type bits of things of interest, basically all sorts of things. The two things I was interested in was the Bullbunda Tunnel and what's called the Mystery Craters, just east of Gingin, near Bundaberg, in Queensland, Australia. The trip actually ended quite nicely because I actually found a really nice it's a bit of a stealth camping spot, I guess you could say, at Walker's Point, and then an even better one coming back at the Broadwater camping reserve. And that was really excellent. It's basically a whole forest they're giving over to camping, and you can just drive into the forest and pick your own spot. Anyway, enjoy the short ride. It was only about a 4 or 5 day ride, and like I say, it's relatively close to home. I'm trying to, with these COVID times, not go out of state now, because every time I seem to go out of state, I get caught out with border restrictions. Anyway, enjoy the trip. Hey channel, I just come 16 kilometres off the main road and found this in the middle of nowhere. It's Mount Clara Smelter from 1873, and it's an old copper smelter. There was a little gold mine down the road, so there's obviously a lot of minerals again around here.
I don't go to sleep till dawn. Sometimes I don't ask if I know that something's wrong. Sometimes I mistake life for a dream. Sometimes my memories are stuck somewhere in between. But I always, yes I always keep on looking up. Gotta keep on looking up. Sometimes I turn off my telephone. Sometimes I pretend that I'm not home. And sometimes I call when I know that no one's there. Sometimes...
Hey Charles. So I'm about 50 k's north of... I can't remember where I've had coffee. It's on the photo before this clip. Anyway, just come to a memorial bridge. It's built in 1921 in order to commemorate the local soldiers from this shire where I am, to commemorate their a sort of a gratitude to them serving in the war.
I get drunk by myself. Sometimes I can't remember exactly how you felt. Sometimes I make love to myself. Sometimes I imagine being someone else. But I always, yes I always keep on looking up.
Oh well, me and the black dog are taking shade at, I think it's Mount Walsh National Park near Bundaberg. I'm not too sure if there's camping allowed or not. I can't seem to find out, and I've got limited internet, but it's deserted, so I might just strategically hang around here until dusk and then put the tent up. Just making myself at home here. I think I probably am going to stay the night as long as nobody comes. That's why I'm not going anywhere else now today. I'm just trying to keep out the heat a bit. And this is a huge empty rough and ready, but it's nice and covered. It's taken a lot of the heat out. Some guy's doing a controlled burn, but there's no signs up. I ain't that far from them.
Sometimes I shy away from responsibility. Sometimes I wonder just how it's supposed to be. But I always, yes I always keep on looking up. Gotta keep on looking up. You gotta keep on looking up to keep from getting
Well, there's meant to be a bat colony living in this tunnel. This is one of the longest drivable through tunnels in Queensland. I think it is the longest in Queensland. Boy, does it stink. It's definitely about. Echo! There you go. That's the tunnel. So I'm just going to ride back through there. And then head off to these craters. So I've got to go back into Gin Gin. It's about 30 k's back on myself. And then go to Gin Gin. And it's the other side of Gin Gin. Stop and get some brekkie on the way through as well, or coffee at least. Yeah, this is easy riding today. Easy riding. Mystery craters are behind me, but it's all closed.
My toes touch the same floor our world has been shaking on. Oh, what's your soul saying? Oh, is your world changing? Oh, what's your soul saying? Oh, is your world changing? Your face tells me always things your mouth often spares, and I hope you know I do what it takes to bring joy into your day.
Morning, channel. That's where I camped just so. Does actually say no camping, but hey, someone needs to sleep for the night. I need to sleep for the night. Yes, there's a beach, still low tide. It's a bit of an estuary. The actual sea is just beyond the sandbar out there. It's a nice golden, really soft bit of beach here. So a nice walk all the way back up. It's about 200 steps. Anyway, this is Kimbombi Falls. It gets packed when the water's flowing to cool off. It's 32 degrees now. Small. In biking boots. Hey channel. Scored this one again. I don't know how I'm doing this route lately. This is Broadwater Reserve. I don't know what's water, just because it gets muddy down here. I don't know how many hectares it is on the map there, I can't see, but just look at this. This whole place, I'll turn it around. It's massive. You can just drive in anywhere. Pitch tent. So I found the coolest, shadiest spot possible. It's amazing, just goes on. I came in way up there and drove all the way down and down this track here. So really big place. Brill, time to cool down.
If you take off their jewels, they all look like fools. Weighing their diamonds and gold on the scales, burning the woods to build a new skyscraper, building and building to climb up to the sun.
Hey channel, I'm just at Crow's Nest National Park today. it is humid. I'm not joking. You probably see sweat or perspiration, should I say, polite. Normally this is packed out. I don't know what's going on, what I've missed. But I'm here, and all the way around is completely empty again. This is Christmas in Australia. What is going wrong? So anyway, I'll book the site later. But you can only book every other one that's still got a COVID signs up, which is unfortunate, because it's going to make spaces short when people do book. I know I'm not meant to scavenge wood, but on this one occasion, like, I might not resist. I'm to shower for a few days, quite a few days. I've had sea dips and things, but there we go. That is where you boil the water, and you carry that bowl of hot water or warm water into the shower. Stick it in there and raise it up and have your shower. So I might have a go at that later.
She's definitely from another place. She's definitely from another place. She's definitely from another place.